Hello, my name is Rudis, and today I will show you some materials I create to teach politeness in English speaking cultures. This topic is very important because being polite helps us communicate better and show respect to others. This lesson is about first learning polite words like please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me, and another's words or expression. And second is understanding how people use these words in different countries like the UK and the USA. And finally, this lesson is about the practicing listening with real life examples. Okay, I create an interactive presentation with the videos and games. The main resource is called Being Polite in Everyday Situation. It includes first pre-listening activity with pictures and polite words. I create an online page exercise uh, when the where the student can practice. Okay, you can play this on World War. Okay, the second activity for listening activity um, is is listening activity. Okay, the second is listen activity with their short videos. For example, these videos are created in different situations. In a restaurant, in a shopping store, and finally at a friend's home. Okay. Also, the students watch and answer a question on in the other activities create in EduPuzzle and Google Forms, where the student uh, can develop or apply your knowledge about the topic. And after the video, the student talk in groups about the difference between cultures and write a short conversation using polite words. Okay, how do we use this material in class? I develop um, in different moments of our step. For example, the step one show a student some image and ask what does being polite mean in your cultures. Then introduce some polite words. And the step two, um, uh, the students play each video twice. First, just watch. The students answer question on EduPuzzle and Google Forms, and also they complete the word wall game on their phones or in pairs. This is optional. And finally, the students talk with the following questions. There is what difference did you notice between the UK and the USA? Okay, and finally, the student writes a meaning dialogue using the polite words they learn. Well, how do we check their learning? We use a simple checklist to see if students understand the video. I use polite words, and also we check if they participate in the discussion and write a good dialogue. Well, let's continue. I could say that these materials help students learning how to be polite in English in a fun and interactive way. They don't just learning words, they learn how to use them in real life. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I hope these ideas help you in your classes too. Bye bye.